Alright, well, that was fun. Tried to utilize the Inner 18 and it didn't work, but I tried. For some reason, it's got the consist backwards. This one's supposed to be 2921, and the one in the back is supposed to be 2920. For some reason, it got them switched, so hence I went that way instead of just flipping it. Because for some reason, the one in the back, it's just a little bit faster, but not by much. In scale speed, like 1 or 2 miles an hour is it. It's not significant, but it's enough to make a difference in the load on the engine. So I had to go that way because it's faster. So I'll probably just flip the locos. Unfortunately, this might be the last run on this for a while. I got an email today that said my loan, the mortgage, an inquiry went through. So hopefully that's a good sign. Hopefully I should hear back from the people who's been helping me try to have a loan. It's been a process, to say the least. I'm running out of room. And I have a feeling if the loan gets approved, there's a house that we found that we want to submit an offer. The house is already empty. Nobody lives there. So it's move-in ready. If the loan is approved, usually takes a month to a month and a half to sign off on everything. So this is December. We're hoping to hopefully be in the house by February. But the thing is, we've got so much stuff, especially me. I would have to pad everything, insulate, bubble wrap, box it up, make sure it's safe before I move, because a lot of this stuff is extremely expensive. So I've got to take care of what I own, because this is it. I'll eventually be buying more come when we move, and also the tax season, because I don't have the budget to buy anything usually until then. So the A-Class, the 1218 or 1224, either one, will be my first one back. I miss it. I sold the one to Mason, a friend of mine. He unfortunately, the gear stripped. Well, at the time, NWSL was out of business. Now they're back, so it's an easy fix. It's only like, I think, $6 and it's fixed for the gear. Work is fine. Getting set to hopefully change departments here soon. I'll probably be back with a video on repairs, because the couplers on some of these are too long. So I've got to shorten the junction box under here. How's the screw hits that little post right there. So I've got to fix those. So, but other than that, everything's fine. I should be back hopefully within a few days with a new video. So it's just been busy, y'all, holidays. But y'all take care, and I'll see you soon. All right. Thank you.